G'day there, I'm Tiger Broiler, and I'm here, the Siberian rainforest. Well, I will spend the next 3 weeks showing you how to survive. This is Bloke v Nature. If you want to survive in the Siberian rainforest, first thing you gotta do is dig yourself a little hole for your piddles and wet poos. This is how you climb the mighty Russian pine. You gotta grip it like your uncle at your birthday. Just fucking chew. Fuck it. Shimmy up it. Shimmy. Shimmy. Here I am in the perfect shelter of the mighty Russian pines. Fuck! Another successful venture for Tiger Broiler. Hey, here, stay here. It's right here. This is the magic.